Thank you for nice introduction. So, as you know, my name is Prem Tiwari. I have a decade of experience in WordPress only. I have more than 12 years in WordPress only. I started my career in WordPress developer, and from now on, I am working as a WordPress. And as of now, I am leading a team of more than 10 core WordPress engineer in News Corp, where we are working for a very big enterprise level clients, and we are developing lot of plugins, many plugins. We are developing plugins for the our own products. You can find me on these are the social media. So today's topic is very interesting WordPress plugin. Like why we are using WordPress plugin for extending any features. If WordPress will give by default as a blogging software. WordPress when it is launched, it was a blogging software to add it in different features. For example, in top of WordPress, if you want to develop a e-commerce site, you can use WooCommerce plugin. If you want to develop any other site, you can. Lot of plugins are available. So today I'm going to talk about if you have any idea in your mind and you want to develop a plugin. So how you can do plugin? So complete life cycle of plugin development, and on top of that, I'm going to also share how you can market it and how you can earn money on top of that your plugin if you have that. So as part of that, we will discuss what is plugin, conceptualization idea, plugin development, how you can test your plugin, publishing on ORG. So how you can publish your plugin, custom developed plugin on the WordPress.org. That one also we will talk. How we can promote, and at last, how we can earn money from our plugin. So let's start. So what is plugin? WordPress plugin is a simple, we can say by name itself, plug in. So in software, we can plug in any feature. For example, if you have a website and you want to create a custom form or a feedback form. So there are a lot of WordPress plugin, ready-made plugin. You can download and install it, or you can develop your own custom plugin by writing the code. So that is the WordPress plugin. And what is the market like the significance? If you see, if you go to the WordPress plugin directory, near about 60,000 WordPress plugins are available. For a simple feature or any feature, you can get dozens of WordPress plugins. For example, contact form or any feedback form or any form. If you search, you will get a lot of WordPress plugins. So, who can develop a WordPress plugin? Definitely, it's a coding. So, if you have a developer, if you have little bit knowledge of PHP or WordPress, definitely you can develop a WordPress plugin. So, let's now we will turning our concepts into reality. For example, if you have an idea, you thought like I need to develop a plugin, and you have idea how you can proceed. We are going to develop this. So as part of the first, how you can do. I like today and yesterday I discussed with a lot of developers, and I listened to a couple of issues also. Some people are saying that when I developed a plugin, but now my plugin, I don't know if my plugin is market right fit or not. My plugin is going to be successful market or not. So he already has spent 2 to 3 months. After that, he is thinking that step. That is totally 2 months of time wasted. So we need to go step by step. So as part of first, just try to analyze the market demand. First thing is identifying the need. What you are thinking, is it that is a market need also? It's not only you thought that I have to develop a subscription plugin and you develop. You are not caring about what I am going to develop. Is it required for the users or is other people in the market are they requiring for that or not? So first we need to think about this one. What I am thinking, is it market is also requiring for that? If your answer is yes, you can definitely go for it to the next step. So how you can get into that one? How you can get it now? The another question: how I will get to know what I am thinking is market need or not? Definitely, you can do survey. You can connect with your potential user. If, for example, if you are thinking the plugin which you are going to develop, is it going to helpful for the college student? So maybe you can connect with the college student and you can ask. You can share your idea. I am thinking this, and you can do that one. So after that, you can validate your idea. How you can develop your idea? Definitely, you can connect with the users, and then you can get their feedback. You can share your idea. I am going to develop it. Is it going to be helpful? Or what apart from this, what other feature you want to be? So based on that, you can also accommodate that feature also. Sometimes what will happen, you thought something, when you connect with a real user, they will also give the idea. So why not we implement on top of this feature also? So that will be also successful in the plugin. Third is, once you have get all that feedback, try to document all on the paper or any Word file. Just try to document and list out. Definitely you will get more than 20 features. So just segregate like which are the features you are going to be developed as a first version, then second version. Or definitely if you have identified 15 features, as part of the 15 you can't like do in the one go. You should, based on like 5 or 10, you can go as a first version, then second version or third version. Now as part of second, you got each and everything. You have idea, you validated it, you documented it. Now you have another phase. Now you can go to development phase. So for developing, definitely you need a local environment which you can get it from local gem. Nowadays that WordPress officially launched a studio. You can use a studio also to develop. Then you will start creating your plugin structure. If you are following that class based composer ways, that is a modern way of developing a WordPress plugins or uh, WordPress softwares. You can use the composer based plugin set then you have to follow the core coding practices. Why we need to play, follow this one? This will help you. I will tell you why we have to follow further. Then just when you have developed your plugin after following all these steps and all, then the third part is you have to test your plugin. How you will do test? You can use the debugging techniques. So debugging techniques, how you can do it? You can use like a console. Also you can monitor by using query monitor. That is another uh, like plugins which you can use and you can check is your plugin is generating any slow query after implementing. You can check the performance also by using Lighthouse. Lot of tools are available. You can also use WP underscore debug in the WP config file and you can check that one is your plugin is giving like warning, notice, or any fatal errors. Second is you can do performance testing. Performance testing, you can test it as I told, after implementing pre and post. So you can measure the pre, before installing your plugin on the site, you can test it, the performance. Then you can test it after activating your plugin so that you have made sure your plugin is not increasing the page speed load time, or it is not increasing slow query, or it is not taking more time to get a data. So those things you can get it. And third is UAT, user acceptance criteria. After that one, the way how you have collected, based on that collected feedback, you can test your plugin. Is it I'm meeting that expectation or not? So that's why it's called user acceptance testing. So what you give great feedback from got feedback from users, you can test those things. Then other is plugin deployment. This is the very important part. You have done all that 4 steps. Now you want to contribute your plugin to the WordPress marketplace, like the WordPress plugin directory. How you can do it? So you just need to make all your plugins files as a zip file. But before that one, you have to create a readme file. So I have added here. So a link, add your plugins. This is the page. If you search on the Google, you will get it. And there it will be like the guidelines. They will let you know how you have to, what you have to be mentioned in the readme file. So you have to mention that one. Then you have to create a zip file and you can upload it here. Once you have uploaded your plugins, it got approved by WordPress, then you can start promoting on social media. You can use the social media, you can leverage the power of social media. You can start creating like a landing page of your plugin in your site and start uh, like sharing on the social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, where you have a more potential users, you can start doing that one. On top of that one, you can also use, if you have a collection of lot of user email ID, for example, if while you are doing that, like collecting the feedback or from the student or your users, might be you have collected email ID. So once you have developed and it's live, maybe you can shoot out an email to all your users and say that, hey, I have deployed my plugin on the ORG, can you give a try? So that one also you can do it. Then this is very important things. Now, like you can think I did a lot of hard work, I did a lot of things, how I can earn money from this one? This is the very best, like a lot of people, lot of small companies are using this model, which is called premium model. So it's not a freemium model. So as I told you, you have listed out 15 features in the initial stage. For example, if you have developed 10 only, keep 10 features as a free. 5 features you give as a pro version. So you can create a pro version. On top of there, you add a simple link. If you need this feature also, click on this link, see the demo of what the premium feature will work, and you can purchase from us. So by using that one, you will start getting, like, you can monetize your plugin and you will start getting money on top of your things. Then you can also do that direct sales and licensing also. If you are selling like on your site, that is good. If you are selling on the other marketplace like Theme Forest or other plugin Code Canon, so there you have to give some, as part of platform charge, you have to give some percentage to them also. So you can sell directly also from your site, but there you have to manage licensing also. Like how you can give that your plugin for one site or 10 sites. If you have not implemented license, then maybe one people can purchase your plugin and he will install more than 100 sites. So you have to manage licensing also. Yeah, thank you. So time up. So if you have any question, that's why I keep it very fast. If you have any question, I am here. Feel free to ask me. Thank you.